Can you do simple Google search? I mean, can you go on Google, type something and click on search? If you can do that, then here is an amazing opportunity to make a lot of money doing that. Now, what you need to do is just when you sign up and join this platform, and it's absolutely free to sign up. Once you join here, you come answer these questions here, and then once you submit your answer and it's considered innovative, then you get paid this amount of money. If we scroll down here, you are going to see a bunch of them here, a whole lot of them that you can answer. And once you answer the questions and you're considered top 50, top 20, as the case may be, like this one is top 50, there are some of them that are top 30, top 20, and all that, you get paid this amount of money just doing the search. Now, in case you are saying to yourself, but I do not have answers to these questions, don't worry, stay with me to the end, and I'm going to show you a smart way to get answers. I'm going to show you how you can get answers to these questions that you are going to supply and start making money. What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chiamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money, how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. If you're a returning viewer, you know I love and appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by again. So let's get back to this. When I did my research, I found out that the caliber of brands that actually gets here are very amazing. You're going to love it. So what we do on this platform is you sign up as a creative person with an innovative ideas. You come over here, you supply innovative answers to companies and brands questions. You get paid for that. Now, if you look at this, you're going to see this, the caliber of people that actually ask you these questions, and then they seek your innovative solution to their business problems. Once you supply it and it's amazing, they use those ideas, they pay you for that. So if you're an innovative person, you don't have to hold, keep your information or innovative solutions. You have to share it and then get paid a lot of money for doing that. So if you look at this, you're going to see the caliber of brands, notable top-notch brands like Pepsi, you have Microsoft, you have Yahoo, you have Johnson & Johnson, Nestle, Coca-Cola, IBM, a whole lot of them, Adidas, Facebook, Accenture, Disney, Exxon, Unilever, Dell. You can see all of them, Shell, and a whole lot of them. These are the brands that come here. They actually want to hear what you have to say, and if it's creative enough, if it's very innovative, they pay you a whopping amount of money, and then they use your idea. Now, from my research, when I was actually carrying out a research on this, I found out that this platform mentioned that if, for example, a brand here uses your idea or your innovative solution, they are going to notify you. For example, Coca-Cola, asked question here, and then you supplied a very innovative answer. They pay you for that, and eventually, if they are going to use that idea of yours, you're also going to be notified. And this platform made it clear that you can actually put that on your resume, like you are going to go out there and brag that you are the brain behind this innovative solution or this thing that this brand did, and that's amazing. So if you're a student, you have innovative answers or creative, you're very creative, it's time to make money doing that. Now, this platform was invented by 3 undergraduates, and it's completely changing the game for young and innovative people like you, and I'm very sure you are going to love it. Like I said, if you are saying to yourself, I do not know the answers, don't worry, because I'm going to show you where you are going to get the answers. We are living in a modern world, so we got to be very creative to, earn money here and there. All right, so let's scroll down. If you scroll down here, you're going to see a bunch of them, a whole lot of them, and you're also going to see the amount of money you are going to make per innovative solution you provide. Now, the good thing about it is this: you can actually come over here and get something for yourself, no matter your field. So if, for example, you're business inclined, you're going to come here and filter it. You're going to get see business related questions. If you're an engineer, you're going to click on the here, and then it's going to show you engineering related questions. If you are a food scientist, a computer scientist, or humanities, whatever the niche is or you are good at, you simply come here, filter it. So we're going to say, let's say we say humanities, for example, is going to filter it and ask you humanity related questions, and once you answer those questions, you get paid a lot of money. All right, so let's get back to business, because it's actually something I would like to scroll down to. So let's look at some of the questions here you can actually get paid for. They're very outstanding. For example, this one says, how can we reuse and recycle used vehicle tires? And if you have something to say on how these vehicle tires can be reused, you get paid this whopping amount of money. Now, when you're going through this, I would like you to pay attention to this. This one is already complete. Like people have a good number of people have done it, and the time span is already over. So if you need to come over here and see the ones that are going on now, for example, this one is under review. Then you see the new ones. This one will close in the next 28 hours. This one will close. So if you join today, if you join right now, you are going to actually take this one if it's something you would love to do. It says, how can a bank help millennials and Gen Z consumers plan to start a family? Okay, how can social media provide a more positive experience for users? I mean, these are basic questions. You can provide a creative answer. And in case you don't know how to, just hold on, stay with me to the end, and I'm going to show you how to get this. I mean, you know I love you and I always want you to do well. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these innovative solutions. All right. So these are the ones like have 28 days left to do this, 27, sorry, and this one 27 too. And so you're going to see that down here. Now let's scroll down and then see some other things you need to know, and then how to sign up on this platform. So if you're also a business person, like a brand, you're looking for an innovative solution, or you actually want someone to give you an innovative idea that's going to push your company from where it is to the next level, you can actually come here and pay creative people, people that have creative ideas, and get the ideas, and then you pay. I think it's affordable if you're actually going to get a particular issue that your brand is struggling to solve, and then you come over here, pay someone like $800, and then you get the answers you need. I mean, it's a good deal, right? Okay, so now how do you sign up here? You come to the top of the platform. By the way, the name of this platform is MindSumo. Okay, MindSumo. So just click on here that says I am a problem solver, or you can also come here and click on this button that says login/sign up. So if you click on this, it's going to come up with this. So if you're already a member, you put in your email address and your password, you sign in. But since you are yet to sign up, all you need to do is just click on this button that says don't have account yet. So when you click on this, it's going to get us a form to fill to supply our details so we can sign it up. So here you put your first name, put your last name, your location, scroll down, put your email address, and then you select a password. I'll always say select a password you can remember, right? Then you put your birth date and then your gender. Now, when you come to this option that says creativity skill, I would want you to click on it. A drop-down menu appears. Select this one that says above average. You want to, present yourself as a very creative person. You are not just average person. You are above average. So you select the above average. So with the rest of other ones like the marketing skill and the technical skill, then you come over here and then just put in a little write-up. Why are you interested in using this MindSumo? Tell them you're a very creative person. You would want to actually give creative solution to ideas, and just say something nice about yourself. This is a place you need to market yourself. Now you're also going to come here and supply the short answer, and then you scroll down here. Put your personal reference name and then a reference email. Then you tick this box. Remember to tick them. I would like to be notified when new challenges launch. I would like to receive the weekly MindSumo newsletter, please. Okay, so you're going to tick all these boxes. Then you scroll down and then you click on sign up. All right, click on sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to be sent an email to verify your account. All right, so you go on, verify the account, then you sign up on this platform. Now I want to quickly show you something like I promised. But before we do that, if you're getting value from this, I appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Okay, so like the video. Also remember to share it with your friends and family. There are a lot of people out there who needs to see this to learn how to make money just supplying answers. And again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I always say I want to be your friend. Please subscribe to the channel, connect with me. Let's be friends. Okay, so go on and subscribe to the channel. Click on this here and subscribe, and then you're going to see a bunch of other videos on how to make money, like how to answer survey questions, how to do basic things, simple things. The next thing I promised you are that I'm going to show you how to answer the question. So let's say you just want to answer this, you want to answer this question and you do not know the answer. Copy the question and then go on Google and search that. Okay, so once you copy the question, you go and click simple, search it, and then Google is going to supply you with a lot of answers that you are going to use Okay, so let's quickly do a simple Google search that says, what can retailers do to ease consumer frustration? So you're going to see a bunch of answers. Okay, you're going to see a bunch of answers here. These are answers. Some of them are from blog posts. You're also going to see some of them are also going to come from Quora. Okay, so all you need is this. Now, I won't advise you to copy the answers, okay, and just go there and paste it, because you'll be spamming the platform. No, I'll just have to read, go through all of this and pick the vital points there, see the answers that are very striking, get like 3, 4, 5 different answers, and then combine them, merge them together, add something or remove something there, and then you already have an answer. All right, at the end of the day, you want to be very creative, so you want to go through that, read as many content as you possibly can, so you get creative answers to the questions. This way you can easily get answers that will fetch you the money. So once you get the answers, just type it out, and then you are advised to submit it as a PDF document. And one advice I'm going to give you is that when you're converting it, try to name the document the name of this platform, that is MindSumo, and then / the question you are answering. If, for example, you're answering the question, what can retailers do to ease consumers' frustration? So you're going to put BuzzSumo / what can retailers do to ease frustration. Okay, so once you do this, you submit the answer, and if your answer is considered innovative, you are going to be paid this amount of money. And the amazing thing is, not just you mustn't be the first person or second or third. No, if you are among the top 50%, so if 100 people answer the questions and you are top 50%, you are still going to make money. So you see, it's something very amazing, and I know it's something you can do. All right, I hope you got value from this. Remember, if you've not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when I publish new videos. Share this with your family and friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, Instagram, and any other platform you are on. And this way, you're going to be helping a whole lot of people. Give this video a thumbs up. Till I come your way in my next video. Bye.